Hey, this is the UPS that I was using. The problem is that it cannot perform well. What I mean? That means when the electricity is cut off, it cannot back up my PC. That means the problem is with the battery. So I am now opening the screws, and this is the first screw I open. This is actually a small screw. This screw actually attached my front panel of UPS to rest of the UPS. Now I am trying to open other thing, and remember that you need to have at least 5-inch long Phillips screwdriver, otherwise you can't open it can't reach to the screws. And now I am unscrew these screws, and yes, this is the big screw, right? And we have another 3 to open, so let's open all of them. So screws are open. Now we have to open this with our flathead screwdriver. Here it is, and be careful about it and be gentle here. Don't break anything, otherwise you can't fix it or assemble it properly. And now I am disassembling this, and this actually just open the front panel which has the switches. Now I am opening the 4th screw that I actually could not open properly, so opening that one. Now everything is fine. Oh, very careful about it, don't break anything, and this is the thing. So I'm opening this one, and these are the connector that connect our batteries together. This is the connector, okay? And here are another thing is this connector is actually connect our first battery, and I'm opening this one. Now open the first battery. You can see that this battery has about 12 volt 9 ampere. You must need to remember that you have to bought another battery with same reading, same specification. And here is the another battery, and remember that this battery is also 12 volt 9 ampere. And the thing is that it actually the negative connector is somehow broken or damaged, so we have to fix it. And this is the actually connector, wire connector that actually damaged, so we also need to fix this. So let's replace our batteries first. So this is the battery. You can see it is same specification, 12 volt 9 ampere, and we have to open this one. And this is it. Now I'm opening the caps. So here is another battery. This one is same as other one, that is 12 volt 9 ampere. You have to make sure that both batteries are same specifications, both have same specification. And yes, you can see that this is the readings, both are same. And yes, you can see that it is also 12 volt 9 ampere. And opening the caps, and we have to place our batteries where it was actually the previous batteries, I mean the previous battery was. So I'm placing them, and this is the battery I just first opened, so placing that one also. So now we have to place our batteries. We already have done. Now another thing is that you have to connect the wires like this. You have to connect the first wire with both of these batteries, and different wires to the different connectors, negative connector and positive connector. So I'm connecting them now. Be careful about it, don't mess these things. It's totally straightforward, okay? And it's actually somehow not tighten up because it's damaged, so we have to make it tighten. I mean it holds the connector properly. It's now not holding properly, so I'm doing that, and I make it more tighter. That is why it cannot hold the connector, or it is not inserting the whole connector. So what we have to do is that again we have to fix it. I'm going to use the flathead screwdriver. And it's done. Now I'm connecting this connector. and now we have to connect the red one. So let's check it out, is it working or not. So it's totally working fine. So we just done it. What we have to do is that we have to assemble all of the things that we just disassemble. So let's do it again. So it's totally connected, assembled now. So let's check it out now, is it working or not. So it's working. So now we have to test it out, how much time it can back up our PC, that means my PC, and let's check it out. I'm going to start the time now. Yes, the stopwatch is started, and it's been actually 28 minutes I am using this one, and you can see that it is backupping my UPS. There is no cheating. I just made this video shorter to skip the extra part of this, and you can see that I'm now starting the yes, it's started, and so you can see clearly that I got about 28 minutes of backup. That means I don't need to buy new UPS. I just replace the battery and it works fine. So you don't need to buy actually new UPS, you can just replace your battery, that's all. So this for today. I hope this will give you an idea how to replace your battery. So see you soon, bye.